Kids Learn Zone. Grammar, parts of speech. Parts of speech. The words used in a sentence are divided into different kinds or classes according to the work they do in the sentence. These kinds or classes are called parts of speech. They are 8 in number. Noun, pronoun, adjective, preposition, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection. Noun, pronoun, adjective, preposition, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection. Noun. Noun is a naming word. It can be the name of person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Example: ideas, feelings, love, friendship. People, doctor. Animals, cat, dog. Places, library, Pakistan. Beach, name, Ali Zainab Babar. Things, book, house, flower. Pronoun. Pronoun. It is used in place of a noun. Example: replace a noun. I, we, you, they, me, our, your, them. Adjective. It is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Example: beautiful, red, old, smell. Preposition. It shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to some other words in a sentence. Example: under, above, in, during, near. Verb. It describes an action or state of being. Example: run, walk, push, eat. Adverb. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb, providing information about how, when, where, or to what extent. Example: quickly, now, here, very. Conjunction. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses within a sentence. Examples: and, but, or, because, if. Interjection. An interjection expresses strong feelings or emotions and is usually followed by an exclamation mark. Examples: wow, oh, yay, ouch. Thank you for watching.